What is the scientific name for modern humans? Homo sapiens. What controls cell activities? Nucleus. Which gas do humans inhale for respiration? Oxygen. Which plant tissue transports water? Xylem. Which disease is caused by a virus? AIDS. What is the functional unit of the kidney? Nephron. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight exposure? Vitamin D. What do white blood cells do? Fight infection. Which macromolecule is made of amino acids? Proteins. What kind of symmetry does a starfish have? Radial. The dough used for making bread is fermented by dash. Yeast. What is an endothermic animal? Warm-blooded.